What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're working on the single cab. We're changing out the steering wheel, and it's fairly simple, guys. It's just a little upgrade. I had it actually came off the Trailblazer, and they fit, but it's just a little upgrade. Make the truck look a little bit better than what it is, and hopefully y'all think the same. I think it's gonna look pretty good. I am working on the single cab for right now. I was working on the Blazers just earlier, and it's gonna be a long night tonight, but I wanted to get a video out for y'all, something for on the single cab. I got a lot of little stuff for it, so let me go ahead and show y'all what I got for it, and we'll go from there. Alright, guys, so I got this steering wheel. It came off the red Trailblazer, and it's leather. You know, it's a leather grip. It's a much better look, and plus it has the buttons. You know, it has a newer look to it. You know, it's not even run down. You know, it's pretty good, other than this little piece right here. But it's better than this one. This one is like I don't know, kind of like a rubber material. I don't like it, so I was like, man, I might as well change it. You know, I have it already, and I think it'll go better with the interior. So we're gonna change that out real quick, and we'll keep on moving forward. Alright, guys, before you remove the airbag, you come up to the front, and you remove the battery. You disconnect it, leave it disconnected for a good 10-15 minutes, and then you can start working on it. If not, there's a possibility that it could blow on you. But let's jump in it. The battery's been disconnected for a good while now, so we should be good. Alright, guys, to take out the airbag is fairly simple. It has two little holes, one on this side, one on this side. I got a real thin screwdriver. You poke it, you can feel the tab, and just pull on it a little bit, and it'll come out just enough. The same thing with the other side. This one popped back in. Let me get it again. Having a little trouble, but there you go. Pops out. I'm guessing this airbag has been changed before. They don't have the little locks on here. It's simple, just little tabs on the sides. Pull out. Also, guys, the horn. Man, guys, I apologize. I didn't even know I wasn't recording. But the only thing you gotta watch out when you pull it out, this socket right here is a 21 millimeter, and just watch out for the horn. Make sure you don't pull it out, because it will rip, and then you won't have no horn. But that's pretty much it on that. And I ended up putting the other airbag. It looks way nicer. Let me know what you guys think. Look at that. Looks real nice. That looks nice, I ain't gonna lie. Alright guys, so I kind of wanted to show you what I was talking about on the horn situation on the single cab. Since I wasn't recording, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all on the Blazer. Like, you see this horn, I mean this steering wheel, the horns go connected right here on both sides. So when you push in, it makes contact. I don't know, something makes contact, and it makes it honk when you push the horn. You know, if the horn was here, I guess it pushes down on this. But I know they go connected to here. They go connected to here and here. And this one, when I switched it out, you know, I ripped the horn, so I didn't have no horn. But right now, guys, that I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna put this steering wheel on mine. I was like, I might as well show them what I was talking about. But it's the same thing, guys. 21 millimeter, and the horn goes right here. I'm gonna take the horn off the other one, and I don't know how I'm gonna attach it to here. Probably just wrap it around or something, and see how it works. But it's simple. Got my 21 millimeter. Put it in. Oh shit, I was tightening. Man, it's starting to rain on me, guys. And whenever you're putting it back in, guys, it lines up with the little tab right here. With this one, see this little line? They got I guess a male, you call it. And just turn it a little bit until you find the groove. Until you find the groove, it slides right in. And that's pretty much it. Put the nut in there. And you tighten it up. And add the airbag, and that's it. So this is the Trailblazer, guys. As you can see, she's pretty much in there. Just need to run this last harness right here. But you know, I ended up getting a wing for the single cab, guys, and I'm actually spray painting these with you know, perfect match. It's I couldn't actually find the color to it. Yeah, guys, so I ended up finding this color. I'm not exactly sure if it's a perfect match, but I ended up still grabbing it. I was like, hey man, it's a red, so if it's off a little bit, I ain't worried about it. But if it's off too much, I'm gonna go ahead and try to find another red, and we're gonna see if we can put it on tonight. But for right now, I'm just painting the corners and painting the wing, and hopefully it turns out good. So yeah, stick around, let me know what y'all think. I ain't gonna lie, guys, look at these. They're coming out pretty good. Pretty good. What do y'all think? Hopefully the wing turns out as good as these. But I'm gonna give them another coat. See how they turn out. They look good though. I already picked up some of the mess, as y'all can see as well. Just got the gas tank, a couple pipes, some transmission lines. Pretty much it. I still got the V6 motor, trying to get rid of it ASAP. Still trying to find someone to pick up that Trailblazer. She's gone. But yeah, guys, that's what I've been working on. Hopefully I can get this truck running by the end of the week. It's Tuesday today, so I should be able to. Little update on the single cab, guys. Since I wasn't gonna be able to make it with Trailblazer to the car show tomorrow, I decided to do a flip kit in the back on the single cab. She's sitting a little off right now because the shocks, they bottomed out. But I'm getting those in a little bit. But she looks way better. Sitting a little sideways, dirty. I had gotten a flat a couple days ago, but I already got the rim in the back right there. So hopefully she looks better by tonight. I'm gonna give you an update video on the truck probably later on today. Flip kit and C-notch are in and installed. I only put 4 bolts on the C-notch because I'm gonna take it to get it welded anyway, so it's not a big deal. We're about to find out how she's gonna sit. We didn't make the car show, guys, because of the leaf springs. It had this one in the middle, and it wasn't holding any weight, so I had to change them out. So that's the way she ended up sitting. Next thing we're gonna do is the bumper, probably later on today, with the same paint from the wing. And I'm thinking of doing the back bumper, just the chrome part. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. And the next video will be on the Trailblazer. I'm gonna get some work done today. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Drop them comments.